What is Shopify payments and how does it work? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for the payments, you would first have to open up your Shopify store, then open up the settings. Under settings, simply open up the payments section. Over here, you get to choose the payment providers that you can use in order to receive the money from your sales. So simply choose any of the provider over here by clicking on this option of choose a provider. You can also choose PayPal or some other payment methods. Now when we scroll down further, you can choose when should your customer make the payments. You can choose it either during the checkout or when the order is placed or when the entire order is filled. It's all up to you. When you scroll down further, you can choose some manual payment methods as well for the sales that you make outside your online store. And you can also choose or customize the payment methods from this particular option. By the way, there are some terminologies that you should keep in mind, like pay period. Pay period is something when a customer places an order and the money is credited in your account. The amount of time it takes is known as pay period. Now payout is a term which is the money from any particular order, and this money comes or updates on every single business day. Now for some orders that are placed on Friday, they won't be passing through until Monday. So orders placed on Friday, Saturday and Sunday will be accumulated and will pass through by Monday. And it all depends on the amount of time it takes to fulfill an order. According to that, the money will be credited in your balance. And this is how it all works. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.